Two cameras, one built to soften reality, the other to strip it down to its purest truth. This is Ricoh's bold new vision, the GR IV HDF and the GR IV Monochrome. Building on the legacy of the iconic GR line, Ricoh introduces two distinct versions of its flagship GR IV Compact, both engineered around a 25.74 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a crisp 28mm f2.8 lens. Together, they promise exceptional clarity, low distortion, and the unmistakable GR feel in two completely different creative directions. First, the GR IV HDF, featuring Ricoh's all-new Highlight Diffusion Filter. It's a built-in optical layer that diffuses bright points of light, lowering contrast for a smoother, cinematic look straight out of the camera. The result? A subtle softness, the kind that turns an ordinary scene into something poetic, ideal for photographers who see light not as precision, but as emotion. The GR IV HDF is scheduled to hit shelves in winter 2025. Then there's the GR IV Monochrome, a camera built for those who see the world in shades of light and shadow. With its dedicated monochrome CMOS sensor, this version eliminates the color filter entirely. That means every pixel captures pure luminance data, authentic black and white imagery with unmatched tonal depth. Its expanded ISO range, 160 to 409,600, makes it a powerhouse in low light, revealing detail and emotion in the darkest corners of the frame. Both GR IV variants retain what made the series legendary: a responsive hybrid autofocus system, full HD video at 60 frames per second, and a 3-inch color display, all wrapped in Ricoh's signature minimalist design. Whether you're chasing light or chasing truth, Ricoh's new GR IV series invites you to reimagine what compact photography can be. The GR IV HDF arrives winter 2025. The GR IV Monochrome follows in spring 2026. Both will be available through Ricoh's official Amazon store. Two visions, one spirit, Ricoh GR IV.